Every industrial operation, no matter its size, faces critical safety challenges. At CDG Inspection, we specialize in keeping your workforce safe and your operations compliant. Safety is our priority, and we know it's yours too. CDG Inspection is here to ensure your workplace meets the highest standards of safety. Our Industrial Safety Audit service identifies and evaluates safety risks in your workplace, helping you create a secure environment. Our experienced inspectors perform thorough hazard identification to spot risks before they lead to incidents. At CDG, we assess emergency preparedness, helping your teams act quickly and effectively in crisis situations. Our team checks the safety and functionality of all equipment, ensuring it meets regulatory standards. Electrical hazards are among the most dangerous in industrial settings. We inspect every detail to keep you safe. Fire safety is paramount. CDG checks all fire control systems, ensuring everything is ready if the unexpected happens. Reducing strain-related injuries improves efficiency and worker satisfaction. CDG audits your workplace ergonomics. Keeping your workforce trained is essential. CDG verifies that all employees are informed and compliant with safety standards. Every audit is backed by a detailed risk assessment report, giving you the data needed to make informed safety decisions. At CDG Inspection, we work closely with industrial leaders to set and exceed safety standards across the board. Our audits ensure that your safety measures align with sustainable practices, contributing to a safer, greener planet. Our certified team brings years of expertise, equipping them to handle any industrial safety challenge with precision. Protect your workforce and strengthen your compliance with CDG's Industrial Safety Audit services. Visit www.cdginspection.com to make an inquiry today.